in the 3rd grade MyMath book, and we will be working on page 89 and 90 today. All right, so estimate. Round each addend to the indicated place value. So 34 and 23, and it's saying here to the tens. So let's take the 34 in the tens place, that's a 3. The ones place is a 4, so 30 stays the same. And 23, look at the 3, it's smaller, so 20 stays the same. So 30 plus 20 is 50. I'd like for you to do these even numbers on your own, and I will do the odd ones with you, okay? 687, so hundreds. 600, let's look next door, the 8, it's larger than 5, so 6 becomes 700. 231, so the 3 is smaller than 5, so the 200 stays the same. 200 plus 700 is 900. Now here it says the tens, so we're going to find the tens place. 7, look next door, it's a 2. That's a small number, so it's 1,170 plus, let's find the tens place, the 1. Look next door, that's a 5, so this one's going to change. 1,120. Let's add those numbers. 0 and 0 in the ones place, 2 and 7, which is 9, 1 and 1, which is 2, and 1,000 and 1,000 is, 2,000. I was saying 1,000. All right, estimate. Round each addend to its greatest place value. So that means we're going to look at the place value, and these two numbers both go to the tens place. So let's round them both to the tens. 35 becomes 40 because the 5 is larger. 42 stays 40, so 40 plus 40 is 80. Now here, this is 272 and this one's 500, so the greatest place value is the hundreds place. 277 is larger, so that becomes 300. 590, 9 is larger than 5, so 590 turns into a 600. 300 plus 600 is 900. This number here, 216, and this number is 536, says the greatest place value is this number. These are the hundreds place. So let's round to the hundreds place. 216, that one is small, so the 2 gets to stay the same. 536, this 3 is small, so the 500 stays the same. We add those together, and we get 700. Estimate. Round each addend to the nearest 10 and the nearest hundred. So we're going to do two different problems here, kind of like we did in the first example yesterday. So 133, the tens place is the 3, and this one's 560. So 133 is 130. 560 is actually already rounded. Sorry, 560. There's nothing in the ones place, so 60 stays the same. And we add those. 0, 0, 3 plus 6, 1 plus 5, 690. Now to the nearest hundred. 133. This 3 is smaller, so it stays 100. 560, this 6 is larger, so 500 becomes 600. We add those and we get 700. Let's try this one. Round each number to the nearest 10. So the tens place, 89. 89 becomes 90. 71, it stays 70, so we get 160. Now to the nearest hundred. If you look here, there's nothing in the hundreds place yet. But if it's a 0, and we look next door, this number's 8, so the 0 would turn into a 1. And this one here, if there was a 0, we look next door, that's a 7. So 7 makes the number turn up to the next 100, which is 100. So our rounding to the nearest 100, we would have 200.